Dave says no. You gonna sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gwen. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! It's all yours.
Did you forget how to clap? Can I touch it? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, red. That was smart.
So you didn't bother with the bib?
The bib would have been the only clean thing she had.
Yeah.
I guarantee you.
She likes ripping them off because she's strong now. And she just any snap or Velcro, it's like, it doesn't matter.
Let's try.
Okay, we're gonna have cake. Come here.
No.
Just take a whole bunch.
It's like a dog gate, so it's pretty tough.
That's mine.
My boys are here.
Well, yeah.
They went through 2
In one day.
in one day, and I had to throw them away. They pulled one out, threw it to the wall, and a hole in the wall not that big.
Huh?
I just noticed that she has
That's her war paint. And she looks like she's about to do battle. Hey, Aiden.
I think
There's cake over here. You want some more, want some cake?
and something's spinning.
And so. She's still motoring through it. Like but you see, she's just pinching the top. She's pretty. Oh, she gonna grab it?
It looks like it.
But she's very exact.
Yes.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where's that?
She does look like she's slowing down, but
It looks like she's going to crash.
yeah.
The last episode of Supernatural was so good. Oh my god.
Hi, sweetheart. My joke was funny.
She didn't say anything.
She got into the cake part of it.
She's starting to a little bit, but she hasn't dug into it yet. Look at that. Look at that messy girl. There we go. Yeah. There's paper.
I'm not to that level yet. Okay, well, I'm to level 10. That's awesome.
Is there like stuff on the inside?
Like a stuff. I don't know. You want me to take the paper off? There we go. Oh, I think Scott should put the trash. Well, that was sweet. Yes. There's some. Looks like it's got like the top was like ganache or something, and then underneath had some more like buttercream underneath or something.
She's like, oh, okay, now we're talking.
Can you give me a smile so I can see the teeth?
Yeah, look at you, Queenie Bear.
Good.
You good laugh? Did you?
Oh, did I finish you and give you dots in your eye? Sorry. I already took one and because driving 2 dots. I'm sorry. Rick, did you do the yard?
I'm about to send you a picture.
That's gonna be a common question as long as that's on the back of your head.
I'm trying this new thing where I have like a sunburned neck. It's a style. I was fixing. I had to dig out a fence post yesterday. So.
I just took a picture of the back of
A little bit. It only took me like 5.5 hours to get the post out of the ground. Yeah.
Oh, she just covered the cake? Did she take the wrapper off?
I helped with the wrapper. She got it like a quarter off, but I cheated.
You're all messy.
We can't take you anywhere. Or have you at home. You just mess up everything.
Oh, she's my age. Oh, she's 40.
You want some Tylenol? Tylenol or something? Oh, that's cool.
What's the special present?
All right.
I sent you a message on your phone.
My phone is playing music.
Lacey, I sent you a picture of the back of your neck.
I know it's red.
Oh, yeah, it is.
See it. Yeah.
You work on the fence?
See it.
Yeah, it was bad news. It took 5.5 hours to dig out the bottom of the post that was broken. So sucked. Terrible.
Yesterday you were there?
Yeah, it was yesterday. And then I set the post last night, finally when I was done, and then I'm gonna put the rest of it together today, just drill the panels in.
He just wants to like people to have it right next to him, so then he can. He just wants to have the instrument before he takes lessons.
You look so confused.
But he's just always wanted the drums.
Get all done before.
Rick said you guys are going
I'm
like
gonna wash it before I have a pencil and pen.
nursery and that's good though. Yeah. And then Dad was up there.
Well, it's kind of all blown up right now, so it's like the goal is get it
Have more teeth.
away.
Yeah.
Take it to your room, and then you know that
You were
just
productive yesterday.
yeah, you're productive, right?
Have your baby shower.
Thank you. Yes.
Oh, that's what you're at Nancy's house.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Someone's been eating pig.
Look at you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, and
Amazing how drinking just go and like go off the registry. And
I always do that.
Sean, the funny thing is, what you serve like
the funny thing is,
is a fruit tart chocolate cake. Fruit tart or chocolate cake.
oh, go ahead. It's just a video, so.
Okay, what do you want?
all of the stuff in overseas stores.
No way. Yeah.
No, go ahead. Just
We have ice cream too. There's cherry and vanilla.
No, I know.
Okay.
Now, are you the tallest in your class?
oh wow. You want me to go ahead and transfer this over to you, or are you gonna eat something? I can take more videos in a minute.
Yeah, I said take more videos of it. I'm gonna get her a little bit of ice cream.
Oh, I put it over there for 8,
Hi.
but I don't think you
Hi, Gwen. Hi, Gwen. Uh-oh. Oh. Ice cream.
Right over here. Young's on the other side of the chair. I don't know, you tell me. Oh, you could read that.
You guys want some cake? You guys want some cake and ice cream?
Vitamin C.